underestimating expenses, and overestimating returns. Rookie investors often fall into the trap of believing that real estate is all about quick, easy money. This leads to underestimating ongoing costs while dreaming of exaggerated profits. It's a dangerous mindset that can turn a promising property into a financial headache. Expenses go beyond just the purchase price. Maintenance, property taxes, insurance, vacancy periods, and repairs are just a few of the recurring costs to budget for. For example, an old property might come with unseen issues, such as outdated plumbing or electrical work that demands immediate attention. Always conduct a detailed cost analysis and set aside funds for contingencies to avoid surprises later. Another common misstep is overestimating rental income. Just because other properties in the area are listed at a high price doesn't mean yours will rent for the same. Market competition, property conditions, and seasonal trends can affect how much rent you can realistically charge. It's crucial to use comparable properties and reliable data when forecasting your potential income. Accurate budgeting also involves understanding the financing side of things. Whether you're taking out a loan or leveraging existing equity, consider the impact of interest rates and unexpected rate hikes. Being conservative with your financial projections ensures that even in worst-case scenarios, your investment remains profitable.